Is PopTap really an app where you can easily earn money by clicking, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online. So when I came across this app, I thought it looked interesting and decided to give it a go. And in this PopTap review, I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how it works. And let me just reveal right away, there are some very important details you need to know about before you download this app. So let's start by going over who can join. And PopTap app is an app that says it's an anti-stress app. We will talk a little bit about whether this is actually true a little bit later. And you can supposedly earn money just by clicking, and it's only available for Android devices. So that's just something to be aware of. But you can join it from more or less all countries. But before downloading, please watch all of this video first so you know what to expect and do not do it with the wrong expectations. So I will now just pull it up on the screen and show you inside so you know how it works. So I am now logged into the PopTap app, and it's very basic. You see, this is all I see on the screen, what is here right now. So I just choose like either this one or this one, and then I can start playing the game. Or actually I just have to click the big start button, and then it will choose randomly, like one of them will choose one time, and the next time I play it will choose the other. So I just start here, and right now I'm just clicking. You can see I'm just clicking these little like pops there. I just need to click them, and you can see the coins go up there into my earnings. I just keep clicking. You see, this is like nothing in. It's like super easy. I just do like this, and see, then that was it. Then an ad will come up, because that's how they make money. There's a lot of spammy ads here that just randomly pops up. So once you finish something, you have to watch the show. So I will just be back once this ad is over. So the ad is now over. So then you see, this is how I earn. This is how easy it is, right? So I can just click start again. Then now it rotates. That's okay. It doesn't really make it difficult. I just click, and you can see the coins just go in there. It looks super nice. I just keep earning. That's it again. Like I played. Oh, there was one missing there. Then I just have to wait a little. Oh, another one. You just need to keep an eye on that you don't miss. And you see, then I earn. But then now there's like kind of a lock there, because you can only play a limited number of times per day. And if I want to wait, I can wait an hour. Then I can do it, or I can skip by watching an ad. And this is, again, they just want you to watch ads and ads and ads, because that is how they earn. Nothing wrong with that if we can also earn and if we get paid fairly. So that is what we need to talk about next. Can you actually get paid? So the thing is, when you first join PopTap app, you can't see anything about payout options. And I was a little bit concerned about that, because why are there no payout options? They claim on the page that they can actually, or you can earn, but then you can't find anything inside the app. But then once I displayed it, then when you go to the settings, then suddenly there was actually an option to supposedly withdraw. So you see here now, then I have the option to get paid via PayPal. I don't know if that, or Payeer, or P-Time. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a fake PayPal or whatever it is, but we can try to click it. You see there, then it's just like a number and an email, but like it doesn't say how many coins I need to earn or anything like that, and it doesn't even say if it's actually PayPal. I would recommend not to put your email address here, give them any information, also for the reasons I will show you later. But for now, I'll just try to put something here to see what then happens. And now when I try to put something, it actually says that I need to earn minimum 200,000 coins to get $8. And you see, like from playing one game or so, I got like, I don't know what, 10 or something like that. You need to play this game and watch a lot of spammy. It's like I don't know how many times. It's ridiculous how many spammy ads you would need to watch to ever get to 200,000 to earn just $8. That is what is important to understand. It really gives extremely low earnings, but that is not my only concern. I'll just close down the app and then talk about a huge other concern I have about this app. So the thing is that PopTap just gives extremely low earnings, but that is not my biggest issue about it. Actually, when you go to the app page on your phone, you can't see it. I'm on the computer right now, but on the phone it says early access, and it's been in early access for months. And any earning app that is in early access is always a huge red flag. I have never come across a legit earning app that is in early access, and it has been in early access for so long. And this is a trick used by many of the apps that are not intended to pay you, because when it's in early access, no one can leave reviews. And then it can be in early access for years sometimes. And I have no idea why Google Play actually allows this. This is very strange for me, but that's something to be aware of. Anytime you see an early access app, that means people can't leave reviews, and sometimes it can just keep being there and keep wasting people's time, and no one can tell others about it. And that's why we decided to record this video, to then tell you about it so you know what to expect, because it's just an unrealistic way to earn. The payout options, it doesn't really say clearly what it is. They don't show when you first join, which is another huge red flag. And it says in an anti-stress game. In reality, it just creates more stress with all the spammy ads that comes up constantly. And you should not waste your time, because you will just end up wasting your time and actually not earning. If you want to earn by playing games, there are ways to do that. I will leave a link below to legit ways to do that. It will not make you huge earnings, but at least it will actually not create more stress, because you know you will get paid, and they are usually very transparent, and you can actually see that they're not in early access and all this. So you should go and check that out if you want to earn by using your phone instead, and just not use PopTap, in my opinion. And I hope this video helped you and help you figure out what to expect, so you do not end up wasting your time. And if the video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.